If the video and audio on YouTube TV are out of sync, known as audio delay, you can fix it quickly with a few simple steps. Here's how to get everything back in perfect timing. Start by closing and reopening the YouTube TV app. This refreshes the audio pipeline and often fixes syncing issues instantly. If it doesn't, restart your device, whether it's a smart TV, phone, Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. Next, check your audio output settings. On your TV or soundbar, go to Settings, Audio, Audio Delay, or Lip Sync. Adjust the slider until the sound matches the picture. Some TVs have Auto Sync, which helps correct the delay automatically. If you're using external audio devices like soundbars or receivers, switch between PCM, Dolby Digital, or stereo to see which fixes the delay. Another fix is to disable and re-enable surround sound inside YouTube TV. Go to Profile, Settings, Surround Sound, and toggle it off and on again. Finally, make sure your YouTube TV app and device software are fully updated. Outdated versions can cause audio lag during playback. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.